girls, and welcome to Go on Guitar. We have IANN DIOR here with a song called Low Tide. Nice song here from IANN DIOR. So let's dive into this one. Capo on second, all right. And we have a couple of chords here to go over. So let's start with those. We have first the A minor. So that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have the C next there, so that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. Okay, and then we have the F. That's a bar chord, so place a bar on the first fret over all strings, and the rest you need to add is third on A, third on D, and second on G. We have the G next. So that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. We also have the E minor. So that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. And then finally we have the D minor. So that is open D, second G, third B, and first E. Okay, so this song starts with the verse like it usually does in a song. And for this verses here, we will just play straight downs, and later we'll learn the strumming pattern used for the song. But first, just straight down. So it starts with A minor, then C, and then F, and then we have the G, then E minor, and then F. Okay, so this is how it sounds fully, but sometimes in this verses here, we don't play all of these downs. So sometimes it goes just A minor, C, and F, and then just the first G chord there, or the second half, and it just has a long break there. So you need to listen for this verses here going on in this song, okay? So the first round in the first verse will be A minor, C, and F, and then G, okay? And then the second round goes fully like we learned, so A minor, C, F, G, E minor, and F. Okay, so that is the first verse. It's about 2 rounds, you can say, okay? And then we'll go into the next part, which is the pre-chorus, okay? So we have the first pre-chorus there. It will be played in the same way as the second one, so no changes there. But here we need to learn a strumming pattern. So we'll look at the strumming with the G chord. It will be divided into 2 different parts. So the part 1 will be down, 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 up, like this. Down, 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 up. And the second part is up, down, 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 up. Up, down, 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 up. So if you combine these 2 parts, it will be down, 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 up, down, 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 up. So the pre-chorus will be G, 1 full round. That means both parts there. And then D minor, part 1, and E minor, part 2. And you play for only this 1 round of these chords. So G1, D minor, part 1, and E minor, part 2. Okay. And that is the pre-chorus. Let's move on to the chorus. So now we're gonna use again these different parts of the same strumming. So A minor will be played here first, part 1, then C, part 2, then F, 1 full round, then G, part 1, E minor, part 2, and F, 1 full round. So that is the first half of it. So like this, A minor, part 1, C, and F, 1 full. Then G, E minor, and F, 1 full. That's the first half of the chorus. Then you're gonna play A minor part 1, C part 2, F 1 full round. And then you go to play the D minor 1 full round and F 1 full round. So A minor part 1, C part 2, F 1 full, D minor 1 full, and back to F 1 full. And that ends the chorus. That is one round of the chorus, you can say, and you're gonna play all this for 2 rounds. So let's go for 1 round fully. It sounds like this. Right, and now back to the second verse. The second verse is very shortened here, so it will be played just the A minor, C, and F. And a long break there, and that is it for the second verse. You just jump into the next second pre-chorus. And the second pre-chorus is played in the same way as the first one, and then after that follows the second chorus, again played in the same way as the first chorus, so no changes there in the second round for the pre-chorus and chorus. And then we have the final part here, it's an outro. You're gonna play still 1 down per chord, and it will be for the following chords: A minor, C, F, then G, A minor, D minor, and E. That is the final chord there. So yeah, IANN DIOR's Low Tide, a nice song there with some feeling. You have to listen, especially for the verse here, where the differences happens, and the pre-chorus and chorus is pretty straightforward, so no changes there. All right, guys, so I hope you enjoyed this. Please support me on this channel, and yeah, I hope to see you soon here. So till next time, play tuned.